Hey guys, EDog here, introducing the 40th anniversary Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube is inside a plastic clamshell box that can be easily accessed using a pair of scissors, cutting into the top. Now we have the top off, the box opens like this. It has little slots where the plastic clips together towards the bottom. Inside the box there is this cardboard packaging which tells you what the name of the cube is and that it's a 40th anniversary edition. It also has the signature of the creator. Other cubes in the 40th anniversary collection are the snake, which is more kind of like a twisting puzzle. There. And the other one is Rubik's Magic, which is a very complicated puzzle, and this is its packaging. Like that. The other thing included in this box is a small stand that is made of a single bit of plastic that has the Rubik's Cube logo on every side, but on one side it's a shiny logo. This stand will fit any 3x3 Rubik's Cube. For example, this one isn't the one that comes in the box, but it is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Here's the Rubik's Cube that comes in the box. As you can see, it's got the Rubik's Cube logo, the 40th anniversary logo, and the creator's signature. It is a very nice moving cube that is smooth, but still has a small amount of resistance. If you compare that to the Rubik's Cube I have over here, which is more than 10 years old, this one's very stiff and has a lot of resistance. So there you go, the 40th anniversary Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please press that like button and get subscribed. If you have any suggestions for something I could do or any improvements you think I can make, please don't be afraid to put them in the comments. Also, why not check out the EDog Media Twitter page?